So in our Outlook interface, we just click here on we go to our Outlook interface, email interface, and on our Outlook interface we shall look at the file. We just have to locate file, which is up on your left corner. So once we locate it, we just click on file, click it right away. So once we click on file, we just go to the options, searching for the options available. So we shall click on options here. It's the second last below. So I'll click on options here. Once I click on options, it will give me the different Outlook options available. And amongst them, we have the general options, where we have mail, calendar, groups, people, tasks, search, language, easy access, advanced, etc. So those are all options that we would like. But for now, we are interested in the mail option. So we shall click mail, which is down here. So we click on mail. Once I click on mail, it will give me the options which are available under mails. And amongst the options, we have the editor option, we have the spelling and autocorrect option. Then we have the signatures options. Then we have stationery and font reading panel. But in our case here, we are interested in the signatures. So we click on signatures, which is here. So I'll click on signatures. Once I click on signatures, it will give me open up a new window, which is this one here, which has signatures and stationaries. So we have the email signature and the personal stationery. So it's one window which is entitled with two subsections. But in this case, we are interested in the main section, which is the email signature. So the fact that we don't have any signature created is all blank. As you can see. So all I have to do is create a new one. And to create a new one, I'll choose the new button. So I'll click on new button. Once I click on new button, it will give me this option and it will ask me to type a name for this signature. So in this case, I have give it a name. The name of the signature, say for example, I'll just give it 𝙏𝙗𝙧. So I'll just type it in there, 𝙏𝙗𝙧. So once I'm done giving it a name, I'll just click OK. So I'll click OK right away. So once I'm done clicking on OK, there are options this side. So here, it's up to the user to choose whether you want this signature to appear in new messages, which is this one, or you want the signature to appear in only replies or forward. So it's up to you to choose which one you want. In case you want them all, you can choose them all. But there are also options in case your Outlook has multiple email accounts. You can just click right here, this drop-down list, to show you, depending on the number of email accounts that you have in that Outlook interface. So in this case, I have only one account, which is that one, and I'll choose my signature to appear in the new messages. So I'll choose this name that I've given it, which is 𝙏𝙗𝙧. In case I want it to appear in the replies, I'll also click on the drop-down list, and I'll choose 𝙏𝙗𝙧. So you can make multiple signatures depending on how many email accounts you want, or how you want your signatures to appear in amongst different users that you're communicating with. So once I'm done giving my signature a name and choosing the options for my signature to be created, I go now down onto the body, which is here. I'll just click on here, and I'll just maybe click enter to just have some space in between there. So maybe after my message body, I can maybe say I want the acknowledgement word regards to appear. So I'll just type regards, or maybe say rather kind regards, to be a little polite and humble. I'll just say kind regards. Maybe I click on enter, and I say maybe yours truly, or depending on your literature. So I'll just leave it at that, or maybe I'll just say yours truly. And I'll just put my name there. Let me just put Emma Remy. And so I would like to have my company logo, or maybe a company logo, appear down below. So I will just click on this link depending on where your location of the logo is. So in case it is a business card, I'll just click on business card, but for my case it's on maybe a desktop. So I'll click on this link here, this link right here to get the location for my logo, and in this case my logo is on the desktop. So I'll just click on this link here and it will show me the available options. So in this case, depending on where your logo is, if it is in the desktop folder, download folders, document folders, anywhere, you know. So for my case here, it is at the desktop folder, so I'll choose desktop, and then I will highlight the logo that I want to appear in my signature. On highlighting it, I'll just click on insert, or if not, I can just type the file name when I'm in that folder, but in this case it's already displayed, so I'll just highlight it and then click on insert. So let me click on insert, and boom, there it will appear. So once I'm done with that, maybe I can just decide to maybe put any other information, address information. In this case, maybe I can put info. Maybe I can just say I need my email account to be displayed here. So I'll just say maybe email. I'll give it a name, maybe info at @opolotivacity.com. So I'll just play around with this. Maybe if I want my website, if I want the Opolotivacity website to be displayed, I'll just say maybe web. Yeah, and I say www.opolotivacity. I'll put the website there, .com, and I click on enter. Oops, there's Opolotivacity there. So I'll play around with whatever options are available. Maybe if I want this to be bold, I can bold that. I can maybe bold whatever I want. Just play around with those options. I can make them bold, maybe change the font number, font size, font type. All those are entailed in here. So once I'm done with creating these details, you can maybe put the personal or the post office address, which is maybe I can say PO box, and then give you a number. Maybe this is just a random pick, and maybe give the address depending on your layout, depending on how you want it to appear. It will appear that way. So once I'm done with all these details, remember we have the personal stationery. This is where I can choose the type. In case I want to type a new mail, what theme do I want to use? In case I want to choose a theme, I can just click here and choose the available themes, theme layout. But for this case, I want to focus on any theme. In case I want to put on to change the font size, the font type for new emails, font size for replying and forwarding messages, you just choose which font you want to use. These are all the options available. So for this case, I'm not interested in I'm focusing on the email signature. So I'll go back to email signature, and once I'm done with all this creation, I'll just click on OK. Click on OK here. Then I'll click on OK to the second window open. Okay, so once I'm done, that means I can that means in case I want to get to type a new mail, I can just click on new email, and boom, this is what appears. So my signature is already done. I can just type my email here, dear colleague or something, depending on your message. I can just maybe say dear Collins, kindly receive. So once I'm done with that, I can always send my email right away with my signature created and highlighted. This is the signature created. So that's it for this video. Kindly hit the subscription button and notification bell for more of these uploads. Thank you so much. May God bless you. See you soon.